Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see the recruitment news from NIT Srinagar, that is National Institute of Technology Srinagar. So there is a recruitment, which is a very big recruitment happening from NIT Srinagar. If you have a qualification above plus 2 or at least plus 2, then you are eligible. Okay, so there is a lot of openings, totally 12 openings is there. I'll be reading out the opening details or the post details first. The first post is Senior Scientific / Technical Officer with 1 vacancy. Second one is Senior SAS Officer, that is Student Activity and Sports Officer with 1 vacancy. Third one is SAS Officer with 1 vacancy. Fourth one is Technical Officers with 2 vacancy. Fifth one is Assistant Librarian with 1 vacancy. Sixth one is Technical Assistant with 14 vacancies. Then seventh one is Executive Engineer Civil with 1 vacancy. Eighth one Junior Engineer with 2 vacancies. Pharmacist with 1 vacancy. SAS Assistant with 1 vacancy. Junior Assistant with 18 vacancies. And Stenographer with 2 vacancies. So totally there is 12 posts or 12 categories in which the recruitment is happening. So this is a very big recruitment. If you have at least plus 2 or above qualification, then you are eligible. Okay, so let's see the the qualification details, the salary details and the age details of the most important categories. Other categories, qualification and everything you can find in the notification. Okay, I'll be sharing the notification in the description box. In that you can see all the posts, their qualifications, their age limits, their salary and everything. Now I'll be reading out the most important post with maximum vacancies. Its details I'll be sharing with you. Okay, so the first post is Technical Officers. There is 2 vacancies and the qualification they are saying is BE, BTech or MSc in Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics, Metallurgical, Computer Science or Physics. That is, if you have a BE or BTech in Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics, Metallurgy or CS, Computer Science, or if you have an MSc in Physics, you can apply. So that is a qualification, and you should be having a grade point, that is CGPA of 6.5 out of 10, and the salary they are offering is 15,600 to 39,100. That is the range of salary they are offering, and the age limit is maximum 35 years is the age limit. Okay, so this is the details for Technical Officer post. Then next one is Technical Assistant post. So the Technical Assistant post is having 14 vacancies. Okay, it is a big recruitment. So the qualification is either first class diploma or first class bachelor degree or first class BE or BTech or MCA or master in science. Okay, the salary is ranging from 9,300 to 34,800 and the maximum age limit is 30 years. Okay, so that is the details for Technical Assistant. So the next opening of the next category is Junior Assistant. It is having 18 vacancies and the qualification you are requiring is a plus 2 qualification with a minimum typing speed of 35 words per minute, and you should be having some minimum computer knowledge also. Okay, so that is some basic qualifications they are asking for Junior Assistant there, and there is 18 vacancies. It is a big opening. Okay, salary is from 5,200 to 20,200, and also for all the salary packages they have included allowances also. Okay, and for Junior Assistant the maximum age limit is 27 years. So we have discussed about the qualification, the salary details and the age details for all the big openings, that is with maximum vacancies is there. Then I have included the details also. For other posts you can find the qualification details, salary details and the age limit, everything in the notification. Okay, and also the selection process they will be conducting through written test / interview. Okay, so that is a selection process, and the last date for applying online is 30th of November. So first you have to apply online and then you have to take the printout and you have to send to the NIT location, and you have to send it, or the post should reach before December 10th. So by December 10th your post should reach there. Okay, and the fee details, the fees is 1,000 rupees For general category and for SC, ST and women and all the reserved categories, there is no fee. Okay, so you are exempted from the fees. So this is a very big opening. The qualification from +2 is having opening for this recruitment, and also they are not asking experience for most of the categories or for most of the posts. So this is a big recruitment or a big opening. So if you are eligible to apply, please do see the notification, and if you confirm that you are eligible, then please do apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.